Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh and I still use stuff on eBay. Today is a Thursday morning. It's actually almost afternoon. It's like 11:30 right now, so gotta get going. And we got 35 orders going out today. This week's been going pretty good. I've just been like taking apart sewing machines like crazy. It's what we've been working on. Cleared up a ton of space. I've been kind of organizing my time between taking apart those sewing machines and also reorganizing my unlisted inventory. I want to redo that this year so that stuff is easier to access, especially for things I'm making lots of. Make lots of DVDs, Blu-rays, CDs, cassettes, and stuff like that. And I just want to make it where it's easier to get all the cassettes in one tote, all the CDs in another tote, all the DVDs in another tote. And I'm working my way towards that. Did not really make progress on that front, but made progress on moving stuff around so that we can get to that. So I'm trying to put like 15 to 20 minutes a day into that project. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see content about selling full-time on eBay. And also if you're new to the channel, that light goes out every 5 minutes and I gotta walk over there and trip the sensor. So hopefully we won't have to do that again in this video. But yeah, so that's what I'm working on. Taking apart sewing machines, getting them taken apart, and also reorganizing how I store my unlisted inventory. Made it through a lot of it, the unlisted inventory too. There's not that terribly much left right now, moving stuff around. When I say not terribly enough, I probably have enough for a month right now. That's about the backlog I'm kind of liking to keep at this time. I used to like to keep less, but a month just feels good right now. It's not necessarily a death pile where it's stuff I'm never getting to. It's more of things that I'm constantly getting to and constantly working through. So yeah, happy with it. Yeah, what are you guys working on this week? For me, taking apart sewing machines and redoing how I store my unlisted inventory. I'm happy with how it's going to be moving forward if my plan works out. So we will see. Storage unit, the storage unit down here is full. The other one's got a little bit of space in it, so we're going to be working on that today. Today I need to go through and, not my sewing machine boxes, but my clothing boxes, I'm going to start condensing those again because I do have a little bit of clothing to list that I found in my unlisted. Probably about 1 day's worth. Probably will do that next week or the week after. I've not bought anything this week. I was supposed to go buy one sewing machine later today, but that didn't work out. So probably tomorrow. That'll be the only thing I bought this week, which is good. Making progress. Do need to pick up a trailer load of books next week, so that's probably where I'm going to be focusing on next week. I don't know. Anyways, I'm done rambling. Here's what's sold. All right, we got 37 items. Some are down here, some are in the other unit. Lots of media going out because that's what I've been focusing on a lot this year. Little Book of Prayers. And we got one CD right here, Iona Beyond the Shores. That CD had actually been listed probably about 2 years, maybe a year and a half. One pair of vintage Wrangler jeans going out. They just do have the leather patch on the back like I talk about. Don't pay more than $1 or $2 for those, but they can sell. Little League Hero Start. I believe this is a local thing from Norman. I've sold these before. Souvenir folder of San Francisco, California. They kind of fold out. And they've got lots of different, almost like postcards in there. I believe these were meant to be sent through the mail originally. We got that. And one Pokemon card, a Venusaur. So yeah. That is what we got there. This book, I could not find this book or any comps on it. It's Applied Elasticity by this Tomishiko and somebody else. Anyways, I saw some other elasticity books he had that were selling around $20. I listed mine at $60. Somebody offered me $40, if I remember correctly. I could have those numbers wrong. I'll put them up on the screen, but since I saw stuff by him with the same topic doing good, I decided somebody was probably going to want this book as well. So I priced it up just a little bit more than I normally would have. Here we got Tony Polisco's. Somebody asked me if this guy was the lead guitarist in another band. So I looked it up on Discogs real quick and found out, yes, it was. Messaged them back and they bought it. Here we got Topsy Tail on VHS, some sort of glamour guide instructional video. I think we got like $4 or $5 for that. So that's sold. Bobbin Winder, ooh. No, I got everything pulled. I was about to say, I think I have a part to pull, but no, I got them all pulled now. Bobbin Winder. This is a pillowcase, Ralph Lauren. We got mathematics for decision making. It's a whole lot of math and science books we've been listing lately. Came across a couple of different lots of them, and they've been doing fairly well. I've been very happy with it. Non-fiction stuff is always great. Singer foot pedal. None of this model had sold in the last 90 days. I priced mine a little bit under everybody else, and I sold mine in like 4 days. These are always pretty good. Flashpad Infinite. I don't know. You always get decent money for these. I don't see them very often. Pretty cool. You like turn it on, and then there's different like games. You press the button, follow the light. It's pretty cool. What else we got? Make Ready, Mary Fox Murphy. I believe this was a writer out of Stillwater, Oklahoma. Here are 2 books that I allotted together. Hero's Journey. Some like science fiction paperbacks, which is my favorite kind of paperback to find. These are like, I don't know, napkins, tea towels, some sort of little thing. They got this camel needle point on them. Pretty cool. One Barbie in a really bad box. This is going actually international, believe it or not. So yeah, pretty cool. Looks like their number down there is 9915. Culturally Responsive Teaching in the Brain. I was gated on Amazon on this. Cannot list it there, unfortunately. I might have underpriced this thing. Illustrated History of the Civil War in Springfield, Missouri. I couldn't find anything on this online. I don't remember what I priced it, like $12, $15, and it sold pretty quickly. So I'm happy to make the sale though. Made some good money for my time. Another little knob. This is off of a Husqvarna Viking. I think 4010 is the model number, if I remember correctly. And last but not least in this unit is these Eagle pencils. Got some vintage pencils in here. Open it up. Pretty cool. RUs, looks like we're missing one. Do have some writing in here. So yeah, sold those. Pretty cool. Not a lot of value there, but just had to keep them out of the garbage. Had to keep them and get them in somebody's hands. I don't know why, just like them. But anyways, that's everything in this unit. Let's walk down to the other unit, see what sold down there. All right, down the other unit, just finished organizing. I now have space down here for 7 boxes of books and 3 boxes of clothing to come down from the other unit as I condense things down this way. So very good. That took what, I don't know, about 20 minutes or so. So, oh, just got a text message. Oh, anyways, let's show you guys what else sold down here. So starting on the floor, we got this one Volkswagen part. Like I mentioned, I picked up a lot of parts like this. Just kind of, only problem about this, I don't think I have a box this long on hand, so need to figure something out. Here are 2 sets of Blu-rays. We got this like Disney Princess lot, and this is kind of the leftovers I just threw together. It's mostly action movies, but there's honestly a little bit of everything in there. So I did price that one a bit lower than the Princess lot as far as like per Blu-ray. My goal with Blu-rays is to get around $2 plus shipping a piece in lots. I went through and listed all my Blu-rays just the other day. Big Smith Big Rock CD. We got this RBI Scroll Saw owner's manual. I had 2 of these, so we're selling them. And also a little feed dog to a sewing machine. Not too many sewing machine parts down in this unit, but there are a few. Here's a lot of Xbox games. Right before Christmas, I went and loaded up all my random games. And I think there's like Xbox 360, and Xbox One here. 10 games for like $8 or $9, something like that. Not too shabby. Also Power Healing to Self-Heal and IO Echo. Ooh, and we just lost it. Where did it go? Field art. Right there, there it is. Here's a little knife of some sort in here. I think we got $5 plus shipping on that guy. I'm gonna go try and get it out of there one-handed. But that is everything we got going out today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.